And Hatfield Medical Group's mission in the Valley is to provide you and your family with top-notch medical care. And in order to reach as many families as possible, they have big expansion plans. And we're back now with Dr. David Hatfield, Chief Medical Officer here at Hatfield Medical Group. And let's talk about those big plans because you are expanding fast.
That's right. We're so happy that you took time to come out here and meet with us today. You've had a chance to meet many members of our team. And that's right, we are expanding. There are 1.3 eligible Medicare folks in Maricopa County. With that in mind, our goal is to take these fabulous services to each and every one of them. And so with that in mind, our goal is to build 50 clinics over the next 5 years, and we are at 9 already.
Yeah, 50 clinics. That is a lot. Why would you say you are growing so rapidly?
It's real simple. The results that we've seen with our patients and the health outcomes that we've been able to achieve in light because of the people that you've met today that are engaged in people's health care. And because of that, people talk, and they want us to go to other areas of the community in Phoenix, and surrounding area, and build more clinics just like the 9 that we have now.
A lot of people are like, well, wait a minute, we've got so much health care already. What would you say to them?
Well, there are certain areas of the community that are certainly underserved. And unfortunately, not everybody in the Phoenix area has access to quality health care. Because of that, we want to start by putting clinics in those underserved areas first and foremost, so that those people have access to quality, compassionate care and all of the different services that we've seen and mentioned today. That's our goal, is to take it to those folks and let them enjoy the great results that we've seen with our patients.
Yeah, you've seen so many patients so far too, and just like you said, you want to reach more, which is super important. Why would you tell people, you know what, you need to pick up the phone and call? We have the number right on your screen, or go to hatfieldmedicalgroup.com. Why should these people do that?
Well, it's our belief that every eligible adult on Medicare deserves to know that there's a doctor out there and a team of people that will support them in their healthcare needs, from their chronic disease conditions to prevention and screening to navigating certain aspects of their healthcare that we've talked about today that they may not understand. And sometimes if they're really sick and they're in the hospital, they want to know that there's a place that when they leave the hospital that they can come back to and have that transition of care from the hospital and meet with a primary care provider that understands what the next steps are to get them the right care at the right place at the right time, and hopefully avoid hospital admissions.
Yeah, and we were talking about all the different ways that you're doing that through coordinated care, managed care, community outreach. Why is it so important to you and Hatfield Medical Group to make sure that you have all these options for people here in the Valley?
Well, it takes all of those resources and a team. A physician or a medical provider can't do it on his own. He has to have a team of people that support our patients in their quest to be healthier. You need to have a chronic care manager that's reaching out to the patients on a monthly basis. We need transitional care managers that help pick the ball up when the patients leave the hospital. Physicians have limited amount of time in the exam room with the patient. Our providers have more time, but at the end of the day, it's still only a 30-minute office visit. And so we need folks on our team that have eyes and ears that are constantly reaching out to our patients to ensure that their health is top-notch.
Yeah, it really is great because they can come in and spend more time than normal with a doctor, like you said, but then they can also be in their community and have an explanation of diabetes or someone going over their Medicare options, which is so important. And why would you say to people, you know what, like this is something you need to do today?
Well, we want you to pick up the phone and call. You can come tour our facilities, you can meet our physicians. You need to meet because your health can't wait.
All right, thank you so much. Your health can't wait, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate it. HatfieldMedicalGroup.com is where you need to go. Thanks so much for watching today.